Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekina Tuba, and if this is the first time stopping by, if this is the first time seeing this beautiful face, you're most definitely welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lightening or brightening black soap. So this soap is a maintenance black soap. This is not a very conk or concentrated black soap. This is a maintenance black soap for my light skin girlies or my fair skin girlies. It can also be used by people with caramel skin, a dark skin, and you just want to like brighten up, you just want your skin to pop or glow. You can also use this black soap. It is not going to change your skin color, I promise you. It's not going to change your skin color at all. It's just like a glow black soap. So I'm just going to jump right into today's video. If you have any questions for me, please do let me know in the comment section below. After that, let's jump right into today's video. So first, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. These are all my ingredients. I'm going to be breaking them down one by one. Starting with the soap, of course, we have our raw African black soap. Okay, this is what it looks like. If you are an old follower of my channel, you already know what this looks like. So this is our raw African black soap. So I'm using about 500 grams of this. Like I always say, if you do not have the raw African black soap, you can always use a store-bought soap like this one right here. This is Ozone black soap. It comes in two varieties, I believe, the fragrance one and the unfragrant one. So this is the Ozone soap. This is what the carton looks like, and this is what the soap looks like. So if you don't have a store-bought, if you don't have the raw African black soap right here, you can use the Ozone store-bought soap. That, or if your African black soap is not enough, you can always use this as addition and substitution. Okay, our next soap is also a familiar one, which is the Ozone soap. If you haven't if you are older on my channel, you know this already, but if you are not, please check out my channel. I talked in full details about Ozone soap and Usha Papa soap. So this is the Ozone soap. This is the pink one. The colors doesn't really matter. Personally, I don't believe the color matter, but I always use the pink one. So this is the Ozone soap. We're also going to be adding in this recipe. So this last soap is a new soap that I was just introduced to in the market. So apparently this soap, it is called I think SS soap or something like that. And the woman actually told me the layman's language, but if I remember, I'm going to put it on the screen. So this soap apparently is good for it's antimicrobial, antibacterial, and it helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation. So we're also going to be adding this in our formulation. Now for the powders, these are all the powders I'm going to be using. So the first one is Camwood powder. It's a moisturizing ingredient, and it can also help to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tones. The calcium bentonite clay. This is amazing for acne and any blemishes on the skin. Then this is ginger and turmeric roots. So this is basically raw ginger and raw turmeric, which I blended and juiced. Then I dried the shaft and then grinded it into this coarse powder. So the benefit of this is it is a natural exfoliant, and it helps to get rid of dead skin cells. This is what the texture look like. It's basically just the ginger root and the turmeric root. That is raw ginger and raw turmeric. Then we are also going to be using some turmeric powder. You guys know I never make black soap without turmeric powder. This stuff is magic. Okay, it helps for hyperpigmentation, it helps to get rid of dark spot, it helps to even out the skin. And then last but not the least, I'm going to be using these two blue stones. I know they look mysterious, they look magical. So this is copper sulfate, okay, but in layman's language you can call it blue stones. In case you want to go buy it in the market, you can ask for blue stones, but this is copper sulfate. This is an amazing ingredient. The copper sulfate is a well-known ingredient in skincare products. It is considered a skin conditioning agent. It has amazing properties like it is anti-aging, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory. It is also an excellent antiseptic. It helps to moisturize the skin, and it also helps to prevent the proliferation of bacteria on the skin. So now that we've covered that, we are going to move on to our liquids and oils. So for our liquids and oil, of course, we're starting with honey. You all know what honey do to the skin. I don't even need to tell you that, okay? We're going to be adding some honey to this formulation, and also we're going to be adding some aloe vera gel, aloe vera on the skin as well. You know how moisturizing and hydrating this two ingredients are on the skin. Okay, then we're going to be adding some lightening glycerine. Glycerine is also an amazing moisturizer for the skin. Now this is lightening glycerine. The next ingredient is our turmeric oil. You guys know how obsessed I am with turmeric. The stuff turmeric does to my skin, I can't even explain. Then we're also going to be using some rose oil. This stuff does wonders to dry skin. Like you guys, we are going for hydration. The next ingredient is our raw unfiltered glycerine. This stuff does magic to the skin. It helps to hydrate and lock in moisture. It moisturizes the skin. Guys, most of our liquid are basically for moisturization. Now this is Tiatio Shea water extract. This stuff helps to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And then we're going to be adding this lightening powder. It is called the Blue Beauty powder, and of course our miracle powder. Miracle powder helps to even out the skin tone. Like this stuff is magic in a bottle. If you are struggling with dark spots on your face or on your body, try adding miracle powder to your formulation and you will thank me later. So I'm gonna start by blending the blue stone with some aloe vera gel in the mortar and pestle, because I'm supposed to grind it into a powder, but I don't have my grinder here, so I'm only gonna be using one of the stone and a little bit of aloe vera, like so. And then we're gonna blend. We are basically crushing it, so it's going to incorporate into the soap. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna start adding my soap. I'm gonna be adding all my soaps into this place, so make sure to check the description box for the recipe and the measurement. Now I'm going to be grating these two soaps into the black soap. So I'm going to be grating about half of each into the black soap. Measurement in the description box. So I'm gonna try to pound it off camera because this pounding is not for the weak. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding the powders. So Camwood, Tumeric, ginger roots, now I'm gonna add all the liquids and oils. Make sure to check make sure to check the description box for the measurement. The full recipe to this black soap is in the description box below, so make sure to check the description box below for full recipe. So now that I've added all the ingredients into it, I'm gonna go ahead and pound this off camera because the pounding is not something that you can do on camera, and I'm using a wobbly table, so I can't pound on this table. So I'm gonna go ahead and pound this together to get the consistency that I want. So I'm gonna ahead to pound this off camera, and this is the consistency that we have. It is thick, and this is the consistency that we have. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack this into containers, and I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead to pack our soap into two 250 ml containers, and this soap is amazing on the skin. As you can see, I didn't use any harsh chemicals or any harsh ingredients in this formulation. This soap can literally be used by any skin type, any skin texture. Even children can use this soap. It is not a bleaching soap, it is not a peeling soap. It is a good brightening soap that would help to get rid of rashes and hyperpigmentation, and will basically give you an even skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, make sure to leave it in the comment section. Like, feel free to leave your questions below, okay? If you are new on this channel, make sure to stay tuned for more amazing recipes like this. And that's it for today's video. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.